Dear customers, I would like to show you how to pair the wireless keypad to different brands receiver. This is a Genie receiver. First of all, you need to find the different brands from the brand table, right? This is Genie. 05 and 06 is Genie IntelliCode. You need to find this open ID 05 or 06, and then to compare it with the type 2. Now we will do the type 2 operation procedure. First of all, to press the pin code and enter 59 long beep to confirm, and choose any of the channel 01 first channel to confirm, and insert the open ID 05. This set means you have finished the brand setting, and then to press the learn button from the receiver and enter the factory pin code of you have selected channel. And insert the second time. This set means you have finished the pairing procedure, and then the third time to control it. See, it works. It's working successfully now.
可以了。